Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The roasted beans are ground into a coarse paste, then refined into thick cocoa liquor. The intense pressure and
Viscosity levels are spiking near the threshold.
I see it. Adjusting the cocoa butter ratio now.
Levels stabilizing.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
All right, set the pallet down. We'll start loading the dark chocolate now. Got it. Watch your step.
And that's how chocolate is made, from start to finish.
Which technology information excites you the most? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow InfoFacts 10X for more mind-bending space discoveries.